Hello, this is
Carlo from Carlo&Seb
how
channel.
are you doing today? Today we're going to have an unboxing of this one. This one, it's been a long time. I haven't had the chance to really unbox stuff, but today we're going to do that one, so check this out. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now. We do have our new Louis Vuitton limited edition bag unboxing for you guys. And please do subscribe into my channel. Sebastian is not here today because he's all the way in Paris. For the meantime, I'm here for you guys. So, but sooner or later, we're gonna be doing a blog again for you guys. Thank you very much on that. And then for the meantime, we'll stick with the pictures of Sebastian in here. Anyways, so this one, the story behind this one, because I haven't had the chance to do this because the school and then the latter part of the school, and then he came here. I need to edit a video on that one too when we went to Vegas in Arizona. So stay tuned on that. But this one, this is really a long time because this one is 3 months ago. Me and Madame MM Icon and JVA Obsession went to Louis Vuitton, and then we blogged regarding about the Louis Vuitton X. So if you haven't seen that, you can check that out. It's a collaboration with Madame MM Icon. And then I'm going to link things below so that you'll be able to see that. Anyway, no further ado, this one is I started collecting this. I have, so this is still in the packet. I haven't opened this one yet because I didn't have the time. But this one, so I'm going to do this one now with you guys. And then probably I'll just put that one on from the side. So this one, I started collecting this one because the first one I had was when I went to South Coast Plaza. This one, we got this one from the Louis Vuitton Rodeo Drive with Pablina. So this is that, and this one is the Los Angeles book. So yeah. So this one is the Los Angeles book. I have one from Paris. I have one that I got from Paris. This is simple things to commemorate my love of Los Angeles. And I don't have a dust bag on this one. Unfortunately, there's no dust bag for this particular book. So this one is regarding about, this is the city guide from LA, about LA. And it's about, I think if I'm not mistaken, let me see. If I'm not mistaken, it's, this is one of the cheapest thing that you can buy at Louis Vuitton. It's like $37. So I'm not kidding about that. It's $37. There you go. I'll show you. So that's a city guide. One of the cheapest thing that you can buy at Louis Vuitton is this one. So if you have thinking of gifts this particular Christmas or birthday or to your loved ones, this one is an easy one. $37 for this particular one, and you got it. And then the packaging and everything is good. So yeah, for this particular one, it's just an easy it's an easy and quick unboxing. I'll open it for you. Let's see what's inside. And then the good thing about this one is that you can download this one on your Apple Air. You can download this one on from the Apple Store. And then this one is I'll show it to you. So I like this because to commemorate Los Angeles. And then there's a little bit of stickers that you can use for this. There's one in Paris, which is the one I got. And then there's the one in Los Angeles right here. So there's a lot. There's like tons of books that you can download and you can purchase. So for this particular one, it's it's where to go, what to do. It's really a city guide that you can have on. I'm going to go to Paris the end of this month, so I'm going to try to use that one. Aside from, of course, Sebastian is there to tour me and give me a really Parisian experience as always. But we're going to try the app, and then I will let you know how it is, how it works, and how accurate it is. And then I will let you know about that one. So this one, if you do have any if you want to give gifts to your loved ones, this one is a really good one, because this one is less than $40. One of the cheapest thing that you can buy at Louis Vuitton store. So what are you waiting for? Check this out on their website or at the store. And thank you very much again for watching.
This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now. Link below, and then I'm going to link everything here. Thank you very much, and then follow us on our Instagram. We post every day in there. We post on Insta stories, and then we post our adventures together. Seb and I, we are putting our stories in there on the on Instagram. So thank you very much for watching. Do what makes you happy. I'll see you again. Bye.